what do all these people have in common? Catherine Cook, Michael Mikowitz, Juliet Brindak, Jermaine Griggs, Sean Belnick. Maybe you haven't heard of any of these 6 people. Well, what if I added the names Mark Zuckerberg and Michael Dell to that same list? Would it make more sense then? These are all individuals who became millionaires by age 25. Catherine Cook from My Yearbook, Michael Mikowitz from 99 Designs and Flippa, Juliet Brindak from Miss O and Friends, Jermaine Griggs from Hear and Play Music Group, Sean Belnick from BizChair, and of course Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook and Meta, and Michael Dell from Dell Computers. They all share some common traits. They started a business in high school or college. They had drive, desire, and an entrepreneurial spirit. They managed to get it all done. And we're sure there's a bit of luck thrown in there as well. In this video, let's break down what it really takes to become a millionaire by 25. Hey everyone, this is Andy Hill with The College Investor, investing in personal finance for millennials. If you're new to the channel and like what you hear, please hit subscribe so you're ready when our next video comes out. Thanks. All right, being a millionaire by 25 all depends on when you start making money and how fast it grows, my friends. Let's say you had nothing to start with. If you start making money at 16 years old, you would need to earn $305 per day net to make it to $1 million by 25. Starting at age 18, when you graduate high school, means you would need to earn $391 per day net to make it to $1 million by age 25. What about if you don't start until after you graduate college? Then you need to earn $685 per day, assuming you graduate at 22 years old, to become a millionaire by 65. Do you think you could earn $305 per day net? Let's just say you start at 16 years old and you're shooting to become a millionaire by age 25. Since it only takes $305 per day net, do you think you could do it? Well, for reference, $305 is only $111,325 per year, or $9,150 per month. Something that's completely doable, just challenging. And as long as nothing is holding you back from earning more, you can make this much per day, absolutely. Let's break down how you could earn $305 per day online and offline. Let's start with online first. There are infinite ways to earn money online. Here are some of our favorites at The College Investor. Write 6 articles per day at $50 each. Complete 6 design jobs on Fiverr. Make sure you have the add-ons there to get you to $50 net. Help small businesses with virtual assistant work for $300 per day. We've got a full list of online side hustles to build more income on this channel, everybody. In today's world, we love to think about ways to earn money online, but you can also earn money offline as well. Start driving or delivering food through platforms like DoorDash. Get an after-school job for 12 bucks an hour for 4 hours per day. That's 48 bucks. Mow 10 of your neighbor's lawns for $50 a month or $16 per day on average. Or provide tech services for your friends, family, and neighbors at $200 per month for 1 neighbor a month. Now, you also don't have to go all in on any of these. You can mix and match. Let's say you get an after-school job and make about 50 bucks per day. That's great. After that, you can come home from work and write 5 articles online for a total of $250. Even better, if you work at a place where you could write articles while getting paid, that is the double jackpot, right? Well, let's talk about the real truth about becoming a millionaire at 25, or why it's simply just not that simple. The examples we shared already by nature, they're overly simplistic, right? There are 2 additional factors that you should keep in mind. One that helps and one that will make becoming a young millionaire more difficult. First of all of the numbers that we talked about already are net earnings. That means that if you have additional business or living expenses, you would need to earn even more each day. Plus, this is a number you have to earn each day. 365 days a year for multiple years. That's just not realistic, right? But the one factor that you have in your favor is that the numbers we mentioned already ignore any increase in your net worth from the power of compound interest. If you started at age 16 and earned an average of 7% annual return with your investments, you'd only need to earn and invest about $221 a day. Of course, there are a lot of factors in projecting this kind of calculation, so there's a wide margin of error for your exact daily number, of course. Still, this can help show the power of compound interest and starting your investing as early as you can. Working and turning hours into dollars is nice, but it doesn't always give you a big payday. All of the individuals we discussed at the beginning of the video made it to $1 million by 25 by starting their own companies, and you could do that too. The big thing to remember when starting your own business is to make sure that you're providing value and solving a problem. There's a lot of money to be made if you can solve a problem for people. You can also do this on nights and weekends when you're not in school. But entrepreneurship is about working towards the big payday. It can be daunting not getting any money while you're building your business over time. But if you're living at home or going to school, it may not matter that your business makes no money up front. If you want the big payday, you should focus on starting your own company, just like most young millionaires out there. The truth is, the only one that can decide what to do is you. What's driving you to become a millionaire by age 25? Instead of focusing on becoming a millionaire by age 25 or any other arbitrary number, you might want to just focus on making good financial decisions like spending less and earning more. Or making $1 million by 25 may not be that important to you. Instead, you'd rather focus on traveling and adventures. That's okay. But if you do want to be a young millionaire, it is possible. It will take a lot of hard work and a lot of sacrifice, but the rewards may be worth it for you. And even if you miss the goal of 25 years old, you're probably on a great track financially anyway. Well, enough from our side, everybody. We want to hear from you. Do you think this goal of becoming a millionaire by age 25 is even a possibility? We'd love to hear from you about it. Please let us know in the comments below. This is Andy from The College Investor, and we'll see you in the next video.